If you just leave your hard-earned cash sitting idle, it mathematically loses its purchasing power every single day. Traditional saving is no longer a path to security. Investing is the only mathematical mechanism built to outpace the rising cost of living. In the next 5 minutes, you are going to transition from an observer to an active investor with a fully automated wealth-building system. This strategy requires no stock picking, it requires absolutely zero gambling, and no daily market chart stress. Protecting your money is a defensive move. Building wealth requires deploying that money into a system that works while you sleep. Before you invest a single dollar, you must meet 2 criteria. First, pay off any debt with an interest rate above 10%. High-interest debt will almost always drain your wealth faster than the stock market can build it. Once that foundation is solid, the first actionable step is choosing a brokerage platform, like Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard to house your investments. When you open the account, look for the Roth IRA option. This is a specialized vehicle where your contributions can grow and be withdrawn completely tax-free once you reach retirement age. If you prefer more flexibility, a taxable brokerage account has no yearly contribution limits and allows you to withdraw your funds at any time without a penalty. Now, link your checking account and execute your first transfer. You can start with as little as $50 to get the pipeline moving. Funding this account officially establishes the essential financial infrastructure required to transform your earned income into long-term compounding wealth. Most new investors fail because they try to pick individual hyped-up stocks. This concentrated approach carries a high risk of losing your entire initial capital. A safer alternative is an index fund. Think of this as a single purchase that buys you a diversified, pre-packaged basket of hundreds of the world's most productive companies simultaneously. In your brokerage search bar, type in a ticker symbol for an S&P 500 fund. Once the details page loads, you need to find one specific number. This is the expense fee the fund company takes to manage the assets. Keep this number below 0.50%. Maintaining low fees ensures that your investment returns stay in your account, rather than being cannibalized by the fund provider over several decades. Moving into a low-cost index fund shifts your role from a speculator guessing on companies to an owner of global market productivity. Now, click the Buy button. You'll be presented with several options for how to execute the trade. Select a market order. This tells the brokerage to execute your purchase immediately at whatever the current price is on the open market. Most modern platforms allow you to choose between buying a specific number of whole shares or simply investing a specific dollar amount. Using dollars allows you to buy fractional shares, which is ideal if you're starting with a smaller sum. Hit Submit. At that moment, your cash is officially converted into a productive market asset. To finish the setup, navigate to the Automated Trades tab. Set a fixed dollar amount to purchase on a set day every single month automatically. Relying on memory or willpower to invest leads to inconsistency. This fully automated schedule ensures your wealth builds regardless of whether you remember to log in or not. Automation removes the burden of choice and the influence of emotion, making long-term wealth an inevitable background process. Your system is now live. You are officially an investor, with ownership in the most powerful economic engines on Earth. Understand that market crashes will happen. Panic selling during these dips is the primary reason investors fail to build wealth over time. When we zoom out to a 10-year timeline, those sharp drops become minor blips. Long-term compounding smooths out the volatility of the present. Your job now is to step away and allow this system to operate undisturbed for the next decade. Financial freedom is the result of letting time and compounding do the heavy lifting for you, decade after decade.